All right, so let's take a look at an example for dividing rational expressions. So same kind of steps as when we multiply, but the first thing that we want to do is actually kind of rewrite this as the reciprocal, right? So remember when we multiply fractions, we flip the second and multiply. So first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as q squared minus 9 divided by q squared plus 6q plus 9 times q squared plus 2q minus 3 divided by q squared minus 2q minus 3. So when we divide fractions, we flip and multiply because rational expressions are fractions. That's the first step. And then we're going to do what we've done before. We're actually going to come up with the factoring here. So q squared minus 9, that is a difference of squares. So this is going to be q minus 3 and q plus 3, right? And then let's look at the numerator there. So I've got q squared plus 6q plus 9. A is equal to 1, so I should be able to factor this the easy way. This is also the perfect square trinomial, right? Q squared, 9. So I think this one's going to be q plus 3 and q plus 3. Let's look at our next one here. I've got q squared plus 2q minus 3. Again, a is equal to 1, so I can kind of factor this the easy way, right? So two things that multiply to negative 3 and add to a positive 2. So I'm thinking q plus 3, q minus 1. And then my last one here, q squared minus 2q. Minus 2q minus 3. So again, a is equal to 1, so we can factor that easy way, right? So I just need two things that multiply to negative 3 and now add to a negative 2. So that's going to be q minus 3 and q plus 1. All right, so we write this and then we cancel our common factors, right? So I've got my numerator here is going to be q minus 3, q plus 3. The denominator is going to be q plus 3 and q plus 3 times, in my numerator, I've got q plus 3, q minus 1, and in the denominator, I've got q minus 3 and q plus 1. So again, we multiply straight across and simplify. So this is equivalent to q minus 3, q plus 3, q plus 3, q minus 1, all divided by q plus 3, q plus 3, q minus 3, and q plus 1. Right? And then we're just going to cancel common factors. So let's see, I've got a q minus 3 in the numerator and denominator, q plus 3 in the numerator and denominator, q plus 3 in the numerator and denominator. So I am just left with q minus 1 over q plus 1. So when we divide, it's the same as when we divide fractions. We have to flip and multiply, and then we apply those same steps there with simplifying the numerator and the denominator after we've done the factoring step.